going on, guys? Why is it 2020 Honda HRV 2020? I'll show you guys how to take off this trim panel. Get your flathead screwdriver, put that piece out. Take that piece out, down here. Take that piece out. Get your Phillips screwdriver and screw down there. Get that screw out. Over here, screw. Take them out. Get this piece out. That screwdriver. Go right on. That screwdriver. Right here. Right out. That's it. Unplug it. Go right on, okay? I will catch you guys on the next video, baby. We're going to take the one that's back here first. We're going to pull this black piece back. Take it right out. Get that one out first. That one comes out first. We're going to take them two out. One. Before you move the last screw, you want to hold it. Loose it right there. Push it, back it down. That's it. Comes right out. All right. That's step 2. Step 3. We're going to get this handle from out there. The handle. You guys see that black plug right there? Go in the flathead screwdriver. Take it out. It's just screw sided, guys. That's really number 10. Go take that shit. Right. That's cool. I'm gonna hold it open and pry it out of there. Okay, guys, now that we take the screw from there, there is a rod on the there is a rod that is connected to this handle that has to be moved. I'm gonna show you guys what the rod look like. But first thing first, we're gonna peel this black piece back. Let it stay just like that. Okay, guys, you guys see that orange clip? That's the rod right there. You gotta get that clip from off the rod, guys. You use a clip puller or a flathead screwdriver, and this orange clip right here, you're gonna flip this piece up. You're gonna flip it up. Yes, ma'am. Okay, just like that. Now it's up. Then you're gonna take the rod out. Like this. Oh crap, man. Alright, now the rod is out, guys. See? Now it's out. The rod is out. Now that the rod is out, you guys see that screw right there? You're gonna take that screw from there as well. That is a 10. Take that screw out. Now the handle is ready to be removed off the door. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and take out the handle from out there. See, it's loose. See guys, it literally comes right out. Once you get the rod from off of there and the screw from out there, it comes right out, alright? Now we're gonna get to the glass, alright? In order to get to the glass, we gotta get this piece off completely. So which means I'm gonna use the blade and cut this piece off and put some tape around this piece, because this piece right here, it get messy. Okay guys, gonna get this piece loose, use the blade, go around it just like that. Take it off and use some tape. So you got this thing right here. The hell, man? Come on, man. God. Got sense sometimes, bud. Swear. That tape just roll away. Alright guys, now we've got the tape off. We're gonna drop the window down. First we're gonna plug in back the trim panel and drop the window down. You guys see that hole right there? You're gonna drop it down right there. Right there. You're gonna drop it down right to that hole. And you guys gonna see two screws. One screw right there, next screw right there. Gonna take those two screws up there. Okay guys, this is what I was talking about. Y'all see that hole right there? Bam. Right there. You're gonna drop it right there. You're gonna take those two screws from there, one on the right and the one on the left. That's what I was talking about. That hole right there. Okay guys, now we've got the screw hole lined up. Go ahead and take the screws from out of there. Go ahead and take this piece off, guys. This one is pretty simple. Go ahead and take that piece off. Now, we're gonna put the glass up, and we're gonna tilt it and slide out of there. Up, tilt it, and slide out. That's how we do it, guys. It comes right out. That's that, all right? That's how you take out the glass, the trim panel, the mirror, and the handle. That is it, guys. With that said, thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you guys on the next video, baby. Work you in, checking out.